Yo, what's up guys, it's Mckoy here, the first Beat Effect. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna teach you guys the pattern that I use on all of my videos. Technically, the introduction. Okay, so welcome back, ano. Ayun guys, because I've mentioned on my previous tutorials, I told you guys that I will commit myself in making tutorials every Tuesday. And here it is. Today is Tuesday here in the Philippines. Before I start my tutorial, I just want to let you know that I will be offline here in YouTube for what's the day today? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'll be offline for 5 days. So if you want to see my daily vlogs, I really do suggest that you visit my Instagram account. I will post there 60-second vlogs every day from Wednesday up until Sunday, so that you will be updated, because I'll be traveling in Bacolod City. That's part of the Visayas. Yeah. So if you want to be updated, just visit my Instagram account, Mckoy everyday. Alright? So yeah. Okay, so this tutorial is intended for beatboxers who already know the basics. The most important one is the throat bass. So that's second one is the kick drums, rim shot, PSH snare, hi-hats, and bongo drums. If you haven't seen those tutorials that I made, I really do suggest that you check out my description box. I place there all of the tutorials that you need in order to create this pattern. So if you already know that, then good job. Let's get it on. So this is the first step of doing the introduction that I do. So it is. BTBTKB. BTBTKB. Okay, so that's the first step. Kung hindi pa kayo sanay ganyan, or kapag hindi pa kayo masyado sanay sa BTKB, mga ganong combo, I really do suggest that you practice that one first. Yeah. Second step is yung pagpasok ng bongo plus kick. Gets? Alright! Third step is yung pagpasok na ng inyong throat bass. It will sound like slower. Yeah. Next one is yung pagpasok na ng alright? So medyo madali lang to kasi sabay na to sa rhythm eh. Paano kasi to eh? Pang climax. Kaya importante yung PSH Snare. So it will sound like slower. Ulit-ulitin nyo lang yung pattern na to kasi yun yung magiging guide nyo para ma-master nyo din to, pero muscle memory na rin. It's better for you to listen to the beat first, just feel the rhythm para mas madali nyong makuha. Ganun kasi yun eh, kasi pag pipilitin yung makuha yung pattern na hindi nararamdaman yung rhythm, medyo tricky siya makuha eh. Alright, so yeah, I really do hope that you learned something from me today. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it with your friends. And yeah, if you have other request patterns and I don't know, o nga pala, marami pa akong ituturo as in sobrang dami pa. Just don't forget to be updated also, hit the subscribe button. And yeah, that's it guys. So don't forget, follow me on my Instagram. It's Mckoy everyday. Yeah. So I'm gonna see you there. Alright? Maraming vlogs and I'm going to do some interviews ng mga beatboxers doon sa Bacolod City, a city where I came from. So yeah, as in sobrang dami pang content ang ilalagay natin dito, so I'm very excited.